Hello friends, I am Mahesh Patil from RC Patel Engineering College Shirpur. I am from Civil Engineering Department and I am going to shoot video of week 4 as a part of Environmental and Sustainability Workshop. We have all the participants have already submitted week 1 and week 2 videos. The details of the video is as follows. In week 1, I have prepared video based on experiment and investigation of self-curing concrete, and this is the link of the video. I got 35 number of likes and total number of views are 102. In week 2, I have prepared a video, a case study on quantity of water required for curing of a concrete, and this is the link given below. Number of likes I got 142, number of views are 466. As due to large number of likes, I got second position in WhatsApp group number 3, and I am very thankful for that, all the peoples who gave me likes. The video outcomes of previous videos are: first, students able to investigate untraditional type of concrete. Second outcome is student will able to understand quantity of water wasted for curing of concrete. Third is students are able to explore out of box thinking to support environment and sustainability. Now in the week 4, I am going to shoot a video on environmental and sustainability itself. This picture showing over this slide is self-explanatory. Let us go through some definition of environment and sustainability. Environment is everything that affects living organism. Ecology is a biological science that studies relationship between living organism and environment. Sustainability is the endurance of systems and processes, and sustainability is the process in which biological system remains diverse and productive. These are two pictures related to this sustainability. Let us see some environmental problem which is shown over here. Let us see the environmental problems in clockwise direction, starting from biodiversity depletion. It includes habitat destruction and habitat degradation. Let us go through the food supply problem. It includes overgrazing, farmland loss and degradation, wetland loss and degradation, overfishing, coastal pollution, soil erosion, soil salination, soil waterlogging, water shortages, groundwater depletion, loss of biodiversity and poor nutrition. Let us go to the waste production. It includes solid waste and hazardous waste. Let us go to the water pollution. It includes sediments, nutrients overload, toxic chemicals, infectious agents, oxygen depletion, pesticides, oil spills, and excess heat. Let us go to the air pollution. It includes global climate change, stratospheric ozone depletion, urban air pollution, acid deposition, outdoor pollutants, indoor pollutants, and noise. Let us go to the biodiversity depletion. It includes habitat destruction, habitat degradation, and extinction. Let us go through the causes of environmental pollution. The 6 causes are listed over here. First is uncontrolled pollution growth. Second one is use of wasteful and unsustainable resource. Third is poverty. Fourth is dispute among the peoples related to the environmental problems. Fifth is too little knowledge among the peoples how nature works. And last one is failure to include environmental cost of goods and services in the market price. Let us see some solution over the environmental pollution. First is to understand our environment. Second is practical sustainability. Let us go through the resources available for human beings. First is perpetual resource, which is imaginary one. Second is renewable resources. Third one is renewable resources. Let us see one by one. Perpetual resources is created with perpetual motion machine, and a perpetual motion machine is a hypothetical machine that can do works indefinitely without an energy source. These two pictures showing perpetual machine in which work can be produced continuously without supply of energy, and it is a completely hypothetical or it is a imaginary. Next one is renewable resources. These are accepted worldwide as well as it is welcome all over the world as it is the best source of energy. As shown in the slide, it includes solar energy, wind energy, and tidal energy. Next source is non-renewable source of energy. Non-renewable source of energy is used by human beings from last 100 or more than 100 years, and nowadays there is a scarcity of these resources and depletion of the resources is going on, and human beings are tried to replace these resources with renewable sources. The non-renewable energy sources are fossil fuels, coal, natural gas, and nuclear power energy, which is itself given in the picture of a slide. At the last, let us go through the sustainable development. Sustainable development is a development meets the needs of present without compromising ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Let us see some criteria of sustainable development. If we see the consumption of renewable resources, it is less than the natural ability to replenish. The state of the environment should be renewable, and overall growth should be sustainable. Thank you.